I'm using the eye tracking for my camera, can make my eyes bigger or smaller. Yeah, someone's saying they bought like a eye tracking system. I don't know how much it cost, but this one is free. It's actually sometimes even works. Well, I'm pretty sure there will be many problems with very expensive commercial systems as well. You can tune up parameters. The light in the room will make a lot of difference as well. So I covered it before many times, but go check it out, see what you think. Can make your eyes appear larger or something if you really like. It's essentially looking, so all the code should be available on the site. This one is essentially just looking for the threshold for the darkest point inside this square, and again the light in the room will make a lot of difference. Here we got a gazillion of other tools. So we're using the ChatGPT-4 a lot. It actually has a lot in the memory on us. Actually have a list of everything it remembered from the chats, and so the response is meant to be custom. Maybe not. Just, yeah, disclaimer, all the content, all the text is being generated by the robot. Just so you know, we would like to make it absolutely clear that I'm not writing any of that. That's really weird thing that's happening. Yeah, I have to reduce the size of the eyes to fit yours for it actually to work properly. Yes, we also uploading videos onto Patreon as a standalone. No, we don't want to sell this thing. It's asking if you want to sell like individual posts. It's like, yeah, no. Asking a gazillion of other things as well. So that's pretty much it. Again, go check out the website. We are on other platforms as well, but I don't really use them. It's mainly LinkedIn, YouTube, of course. And what else we got? So we got a bunch of new videos on the channel. There's plenty more in the works. So some of them are for members only, but don't you worry. The free content should be still available for you. There's no changes there. Yeah, we have this again, a full disclaimer. We have this Python script that is using LibRosa MoviePy editor, and it's actually finding all the silent bits in the video and removing them. So it's essentially making segments, new videos with the silent bits removed, and then we're just putting them all together when we are editing. Yeah, I would like to answer any questions. If you have any questions on about anything on the website, do let me know. I can address it during one of those live streams that we are doing.